Hello friends, welcome to our channel Brain Explorers, where we share all kinds of brain boosters, teasers, puzzles, riddles and stumping questions. Here is our previous question. What is the area of the square in the following figure in terms of x, y and z? Here we have a square inscribed inside a triangle. Base of the square is on the base of the triangle and two of its vertices are touching another two sides of the triangle. Some of the measurements are given as x, y and z. We have to calculate the area of the square in terms of x, y and z. If you have not tried this question yet, you can pause the video for more time. So here is the solution. The basic thing that we need to calculate the area of a square is its side. So let's suppose that the side length of the square is A. Here DE is parallel to BC. Hence we can conclude that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Since the two triangles are similar, hence the ratio of their corresponding sides must be constant. So height of the smaller triangle, that is AF, upon base of the smaller triangle, that is DE, will be equal to height of the larger triangle, that is AG, upon base of the larger triangle, that is BC. Now substituting the measurements in place of the AF, DE, AG and BC, we get this expression over here. X plus x upon a is equal to x plus a upon z plus y plus a. On further solving and simplifying, we get our area a square is equal to x multiplied by y plus z, and that's our solution. Let's move to another question. There will be a car race between car A and B. It is known that car A will move with some average velocity between 20 meter per second to 40 meter per second, and car B will move with some average velocity between 30 meter per second to 50 meter per second. Find the probabilities of their winning. Here average speed of both the cars are given to us. It is given that car A will have some average velocity between 20 to 40. Maybe its top velocity is more than 40 meter per second and its minimum velocity is below 20 meter per second, but we know that its average velocity will be somewhere between 20 and 40. We don't know its exact velocity, we just know that it will be somewhere between this range. Similarly, we know that the average velocity of car B will be somewhere between 30 meter per second to 50 meter per second. Now there will be some cases in which car B will win, and some of the cases are possible in which car A may win. Hence, there is some probability of car A also to win. We have to find their winning probabilities. Try this question and comment as a solution. And if you have any question like this, send us on the Gmail given in the description box. Don't forget to like and share our video. And for more such videos, subscribe to our channel Brain